Okay, today we're making an exhaust. Well, Mike's making an exhaust. Mike GT Customs here. We got our exhaust. It has no mufflers or silencers, so we're gonna add some 3-inch dual titanium mufflers to this car, and it's gonna quiet it down. Hopefully, they're not very big, but we're going to put them on just in case the cops come after us in Europe. Race Bullet muffler by Vibrant. Just a little guy. Look at that. Sweet as, man. 3 in, 3 out. Straight muffler. It's just straight through. And it's super light. Vibrant titanium. Mike GT is going to do a fantastic job welding this up. I can't wait to see how it sounds. You got a scrap too?
Yeah,
What?
well, you're really good at ordering a lot of stuff that we don't need. Because we
What?
I don't know, how long do you think this thing is?
The car?
Yeah.
Not long enough to need all this stuff. Oh, he's already got it.
You don't think this is my first rodeo? Already came locked and loaded, ready to go.
Ooh.
Right? So we need a straight section of 4-inch into that, and that's our long X pipe, is what I was kind of like thinking in my head.
And then 2 3 dumps.
2 3-inch dumps off of those, and it doesn't
done.
even need to be that far back, right? So I can weld some straight sections to this, but we need a straight section of 4-inch, and those.
But you got some 2 hobbled pieces over there?
Oh, they're pretty. There's something.
Oh yeah. Right on.
And that side. I'll be
But
back.
you're gonna need to squish one end anyways to get to the 3.
Yes.
So it's a 3 squished.
Well, kinda.
Is this gonna make it quieter? Kyle coming in. Dude! Don't you worry about it, baby girl.
What do we got? So this is a pilot prototype. That's 3.5, I think.
You're right.
Yeah, 3.5. They're pretty good. And if we needed it, but like in my.
Yeah, we don't even have to put them straight or nothing, just out on an angle, down.
That's what's gonna fit the best. Needs to go in that a decent amount.
This one's a hair shorter. Kind of matches the body lines of the car too.
I'll make it work. It's just not gonna be one complete straight section. I'm gonna have to like. You know what it really don't. You're an animal. You shouldn't be let loose ordering parts. Guys just like, oh, that's neat, and then there's just a couple of drive brake fittings in there just in case.
What size?
I don't know, they're right there. What size? Doesn't even remember putting them on the list.
Dash 8. Nice.
I don't know what you got them for. You got them.
You know,
Just
just set in stock.
Yeah. Just in case you need it for your titanium exhaust. Some drive brake fittings. Love it. Love to see it. We have the Y-pipe tacked to a straight section with my jig and the bandsaw. I already lined this up to the 4-inch straight section, which Jack can show you I've put into the old section because we're keeping the old exhaust because, yes, we have to make a quieter setup. So we're putting 2 Vibrant Performance mufflers, little titanium mufflers, and stacking them before the axle because we don't have much room on it. So that was in order to get it as quiet as we can. Instead of trying to fit one larger muffler, we're going with 2 smaller ones. Fingers crossed. Do a little sweet downturn on them, same kind of thing as before. Maybe the screams, maybe not. We'll probably change it up a little bit, but in general, we need to make the 1 go back to 2 again and put some mufflers on it. So this is our starting steps. Y-pipe to the 4-inch, both the mufflers stacked off of that, but this is how you cut a Y-pipe, on a straight angle, as straight as I can get it, and I'll be able to fold it into its home. So we got the George Foreman ready. We're gonna lift it up, make sure we're in our home, set it, and forget it, but still watch it.
Check out the bracket that I made. To hold the bumper up, because we wanted some extra support to go from the bottom to the actual crash structure. So the idea is you can reach your hand in through this hole and then reach around, push this button, flick it up, and then just drop the bumper super easily. So Josiah fabbed up these mounts on CAD, and then we cut them out on the water jet and just had to chop and slap and mount them where we wanted. It's too easy. I got the other side to do. I'm gonna get sloppy on this choppy, and we're gonna get it done. You like my WWE cage match power steering reservoir mount?
Looks good, dude.
Mike said he's gonna drop in from the top rope and slam me down, body slam me. Anyways, I'm gonna get to fab it.
We don't try around here. Sorry, Dylan.
Oh, that's my good mallet.
Oh, here, sorry.
Yeah. That'll probably work better anyway.
It's just so springy, so as soon as I bring it back to the bench, it's just gonna want to eat itself.
Do you think that the snap-on vice grips were a flex?
The guy's hitting us with the... That's how I felt when he showed me the hammer. Dude, that looks pretty dope. See that? Now we got like a really long X pipe into the mufflers, pretty much. Maybe do a little cut, like a little shoot, just to tilt her a bit. Lots of room on the shaft. Oh. The extension's working just great. So I'm just like smoothing out that inner ridge, right? Just to make it smoother. See, I just did that whole side. Now I'll do the same with this side. Titanium is very malleable. He wants me to just do like a regular turn down. He's like, it's simple. Who is this guy? Simple.
Sit down and actually say,
All right.
while you're doing this,
Everything's like super loose because we're just like IDing.
Okay, okay.
Like, you know, the whale
Yeah.
splits out. So I'm thinking, cut it on a fat chops on like a weird angle just to make it look not just like a regular downturn.
yeah.
I still like pie cuts, but he's the boss, man.
That's gonna take a bandsaw master.
Yeah, I'll make something happen. Just because I was limited by the bandsaw of how I could cut it, so we have the small difference in them. Even that's a cool looking Y-pipe, dude.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I got it as close as I could, and then again I can just like match. If we go with these ones, match that one to that one. You know what I mean? No big deal. And then these ones also look sick. Same thing. Obviously the same thing happened, right? I have that small difference, but measure that onto that. The John Wick tip.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah, so they look like little flames kind of coming out, you know? A little something. Yeah, it goes pretty hard, eh, dude? Where we're going, we gotta let them know that look the same. They both look cool. Whatever one we go with, I'll make a match, which is, I like this one more, but I'd have to make it match that one. But can't win them all, man.
Like I actually like this one better, how it's slightly
I'm
shorter.
gonna have to match it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take this one like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put this on this one and make it exactly the same.
I'm thinking that's the spec, and then we need to put like a board or something just to say it needs to be this high, which is right about where it is.
That sounds cool, but it doesn't sound like it's gonna like.
It doesn't.
It doesn't sound.
It doesn't sound
good.
as good. No, it doesn't. But
Which we're gonna bring both.
Sounds like you got Chevelle.
I'd say